Welcome back to From Simmer to Sizzle. I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jacob.
And today we're going to be making smoothie bowls. And what drink are we going to do?
We're making a strawberry shortcake martini.
Yes. So we're probably going to get started with the drinks first.
Yeah, I think so.
That would be a better one. Alright, let's get into it.
Yeah, just start handing me stuff over here.
Can we start over? I didn't like that.
Just this part. Just this part.
Oh, what part?
The handing and stuff. We're not doing that whole thing.
I got a shaker full of ice. We got... I mean, we'll need them in a minute. Sorry, shaker. Start handing me the bottles.
Malibu. Strawberry syrup.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have our strawberry Baileys.
Mm-hmm.
So how much of everything are we doing?
So each drink, we're making 2 drinks at once here. I'm just going to pour them all into the same shaker. Each drink is 2 ounces of Malibu. So because I'm doing 2 in the same shaker tin, I'm doing 4. Okay. This is Bailey's strawberry and cream. We're gonna do 4 of these as well. A normal drink would have 2. 2,
Your mom just took a picture of you.
3. Shite.
Shite. That's how you say the S word in German.
No.
Yes, it is.
Scheisse.
Well, then what's shite?
I don't know.
That's what you told me. That's what I tell everybody.
That's not.
No, I'm wrong and you're wrong. Smell it.
What about it? It's fine.
Okay, how much did you actually get?
I don't. It doesn't matter.
Nothing matters.
Okay.
I want a lot of that, okay?
This is strawberry simple syrup. Now,
You can make your own simple syrup,
mhm.
but we did not want
We
to.
didn't because it's a bit of a process to make strawberry simple syrup. You gotta cut up some strawberries, put it in a pot with sugar and water, and let it cook down. But then you gotta muddle up the strawberries and like mash them up, let it cool, strain it.
Ain't nobody got time
It's a
for
bit
all
more-
that.
Just buy
You
it.
just buy
You
it.
can just buy
You
it.
just go to Firetex and buy this. So
We almost did make our own, but we're on a time crunch.
yeah, we're gonna
All
do. We got stuff to do today.
All right, this is ready to shake. My hands are cold.
Okay, now it's well shook.
Ooh, popped a little bit.
We need to clean your mess up. You want your strainer?
Yeah, I think so.
Ooh, it smells really good. Okay, are we gonna wait till the end to try them, or are we gonna try them now?
We can try them now. I don't care.
Ooh, that's really good. What do you think?
It looks like Pepto-Bismol.
Yeah, why'd you have to say that? It kind of tastes like it now, too.
No, it doesn't taste like it. It tastes like strawberries because there's a lot of strawberries in it. It's pretty good. What? You're not happy with?
It's kind of strong.
It's strong now that I said that?
Yeah, and it does look like that pink medicine.
Hmm?
Pepto-Bismol? We made some Pepto-Bismol flop for all y'all.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
We could also make a garnish, but I don't know. It's a bit of a work.
What about some whipped cream?
You want whipped cream?
Yeah.
Do we have any? I don't know.
Maybe.
Oh yeah, right here. Not much. Someone's been eating it. Put a whole bunch of it in there and it immediately tipped over. Yep, just stick it right there. Perfect.
There we go. Now that's a strawberry shortcake. That's cute. Can they see it?
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, let's get on to these smoothies because I'm hungry.
Yep.
Alright, we're back. We're going to do Jacob's smoothie first.
Uh-huh. So, got our blender here. If it wants to open. Oh, holy crap.
It's a ninja. We need frozen banana.
We'll get it in a second. Mine doesn't have that.
No, you should probably put them in there so it thickens it up. That's
No.
a key secret.
No, we're fine. Here's what we're gonna do.
Jacob's smoothie is going to be thin. And you're going to be able to drink it out of a straw. Because he's not
It's
listening.
gonna be fine.
No, it's not.
I'm following the recipe. 1/3 cup of orange juice.
Where'd you get your recipe?
I don't remember.
Okay.
I think it was all recipes, but I don't know. She just wanted me to find my own smoothie bowl. I was like, we could just do her smoothie bowl recipe twice, but she's like, no, find your own. So I found my own.
Well, then we have
And
two
now she
different
doesn't
ones.
like it.
Yeah, because you're supposed to add the... Okay, so the key to making a thick smoothie bowl is frozen bananas. Jacob's not going to
He
do
found his own recipe per your request.
Hey, bring it down. Zen.
See, that's going to be way too thin.
Look how...
Thin?
You can always add
No.
oats. Oats will thicken it up.
Mind your own beeswax.
Oh, you
It's
do have
his
oats? Okay.
recipe.
No. Well, on the way here, he said, I don't even need a blender for mine.
Stir it.
I could, yeah. But
So for the people who don't have blenders,
it does call for some strawberries, so I'm gonna toss those in there and blitz them.
What about some of those?
No.
somebody's phone tinkled.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Where's hers?
5, 6,
I could use all of them.
7. No, it calls for 7.
Oh,
Besides, we've already got more sliced here.
those are for toppings.
Okay. We've got more in the fridge. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Step back, please.
This is your kitchen now?
Okay.
You need a straw. Ooh, that smells good.
Mm-hmm. Okay, take the blade out because I don't want a blade in my smoothie. Twist it. Twist it. Okay. Which bowl's mine?
This.
This one? Okay.
No, that one. You can, yeah. Okay.
Perfect amount.
Now you want to do your toppings now, or you want to do your toppings later? We got almonds,
I'll wash this.
granola, chia seeds, strawberries, and we have coconut, and we have spinach. I think
Do
that's spinach.
some almonds. Nice base.
What is that?
Huh?
What are you adding there?
Blueberries here. Okay.
Some granola.
Granola.
You want some chia seeds? Here,
I will in a second. Okay. strawberry slices. One more.
That's cute. And then you want any coconut or no?
Sure.
Oh, I like that. That's cute. And then you want any spinach or no?
No, none on the top. Right?
That's a lot of chia seeds.
It's fine. It's 2 pinches.
Okay, what do we do with all the stuff on the counter? I just wipe it.
Clean it
before?
up. No.
Okay.
Very nice.
Yeah, looks good. Okay, now we're doing yours.
Yep. All right, so we're gonna add in.
This is a frozen banana.
Yep, frozen banana.
We've got a cup of frozen mixed berries. So there's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries.
Yep.
They're all frozen. We've got half a cup of milk. You can use almond milk, regular milk,
Oat milk.
oat milk,
Whatever milk you want to use.
any kind of milk. And we've got a cup of spinach. This is a healthy smoothie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, and then.
I need a lid. Okay. Do you want to blend it?
No.
All you got to do is press a button. So.
It's just really thick.
Yeah, you're gonna need to stir it apparently.
Yeah.
No, it's all stuck to the sides.
That's
All
what
right,
I'm
we're
saying.
gonna have to get like a.
Get a little
wooden
spatula.
We need more liquid in there. There's too much solid. It's all stuck to the sides and not moving.
Okay. Well, let's try this, and then if not, we can add more directly to it. You can just freehand it.
That's all you're going to get for a quarter.
Yeah.
I think it's good.
I think that's probably all we're gonna get.
Yeah.
How thick
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah, that's fine.
See the fish?
Taste it.
Mhm.
I like yours.
Tastes fine. You don't even taste spinach.
Nope, you don't.
We've got a spatula.
And you pour out of the fattest side of the blender instead of using the corner.
Nice.
Here.
Remember, we were working on being nice.
That was being nice.
Thick smoothie.
Now, you got to make that all go away if you want to eat lunch today.
No, I would say probably don't eat
Don't
it
worry.
all if
There's
you
a little
plan to
bit more.
eat lunch.
Oh,
Eat
jeez.
enough to save the rest.
Okay, so we got our smoothie bowls. Now I'm just gonna do this some toppings. Put some banana, some chia seeds, a
Granola,
Spinach.
chia.
little bit of granola.
Put it the other way.
What do you mean?
I mean, like, if you're doing lines, put the granola going the other way, like through the middle, maybe. That's not what I meant. I meant going that way. Put it in a line going across.
Oh.
That's still not what I meant.
Well, I had to finish what I started, Jacob.
Okay.
Coconut. Okay, add some coconut. Help me. Like that.
Yes, that's what I meant. Put it in like a line across. Still not what I meant.
She's learning.
What do you mean, like that?
Like, you see how you put lines across like that with the blueberries and the almonds? I was saying, do the same thing, just go in the other direction.
Okay.
No. With the other toppings, like the coconut and the granola that you already threw everywhere. I meant like this. Like that.
Okay, here.
Well, you already got a bunch of coconut on there.
I don't care. Am I gonna be able to eat this and then eat lunch?
No.
How do you know? Okay, I'm done now. I don't want to put any more in.
Finish them.
Alright, let's get rid of all this.
Immediately it fell over.
This is a good idea for like a breakfast or a lunch if you're looking for something healthy. And there's all kinds of smoothies that you can make.
Yeah, you can really do anything.
And it pairs nicely with this.
Got a Pepto-Bismol drink.
Don't call it that.
Lots of strawberries in this episode.
I like strawberries.
Should have done this in the spring when strawberries are like in season.
That's
Oh well.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what you want to see us make next.
Yep. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, it's in my mouth.